In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add birthdays to your Outlook calendar. This is a handy feature that can help you remember and celebrate the special days of your friends and family. Let's walk through the process together, starting with enabling the birthday calendar. First, you'll want to log into Outlook on the web, as this feature is accessed through the online interface. Once you're signed in, navigate to the calendar section. If you're new to this, you'll find the calendar option on the left sidebar. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with this area, as it's packed with useful scheduling tools. Now look to the left pane of your calendar view to find an option labeled Add Calendar. Go ahead and click on that. A menu will appear that offers several options for different types of calendars. From this list, you'll see an option called Birthdays. Selecting this will allow Outlook to create a separate calendar dedicated to birthdays. Next, you'll need to confirm the account you want to use, especially if you manage multiple email accounts through Outlook. Pay attention to this step to avoid any mix-ups. Ensure the option labeled Turn on the Birthday Calendar is checked. This step is critical because it activates the feature. Once confirmed, you can close the menu. You might notice a brief delay before all the birthdays from your contact list populate the new calendar, so be patient as Outlook syncs the information. With the birthday calendar now set up, adding new birthdays is straightforward. In the left navigation pane, locate My Calendars and expand the section labeled Birthdays. This is where your birthday events will live. To add a new birthday, right-click on the Birthdays calendar. A context menu will pop up, and you need to select New Birthday from the list. This action will open a new contact form where you can enter the person's name and birth date. Make sure you complete all the necessary fields accurately. Once you've input those details, click Create to save the new birthday event. It will now be added to your calendar and linked to the contact you have on file. That's it. The person's birthday is now on your calendar, and you'll get reminders as their special day approaches. Remember to revisit and update your calendar periodically. Keeping the information current ensures you never miss a chance to send those warm birthday wishes. Thanks for watching, and I hope adding birthdays to your Outlook calendar helps you stay more connected with your loved ones.